Hello there everyone. In this episode I'm talking about the importance of having some context when you're working and trying to create engagement. Stay tuned for more. Hello there. My name is Johan Mylov. I am the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. And I want to talk to you here on this episode a little bit on the importance of context. Here's something that I find very effective for me, and I would really like to share the thought process about this. And that has to do with when you're trying to get people involved in something that you do, you bring them in, make them engaged, and even if engagement is a feeling that people create from within, so you can't really engage them, they do that themselves, but you can involve them and make the situation is so good that people can easily engage on their own, if that makes sense. But here's the thing that is absolutely vital, that I think that is sometimes missed, and just to share this so that you don't miss it. To engage anyone and to get them really involved, number one is context. So what I do that I find it works very well for me, and tell me below here in the comments, does this work for you as well, is I start as wide as I can about explaining the bigger picture, and then get closer and closer and closer into what I want them to do and what them to help me to do, and what we can do together, maybe I should say. And if you don't have context, and that reminds me of the story that you probably have heard, but I'm going to share it anyway. Is the three guys are carving stones. The person goes up to the first person and says, "What do you do?" "Well, I'm carving stones." Okay, and then he talked to the next person and says, "What are you doing?" I'm making perfectly squared stones." And he talked to the third person, he says, "I'm building a cathedral." Right? They do the same job, but what they're doing is totally different. And I think that building a cathedral really helps for people's engagement. I would say it's close to impossible otherwise. So let's build cathedrals, guys. And like and share this. Send me an email. Love to talk to you more about this, and below comment, let me know what you think about that process, and maybe have some examples as well. And as always, guys, thank you for listening.